The Rouse Sectional from England Furniture is a transitional group with quite a bit of wow that will look great in any home. You'll love getting lost in the great depths of our Rouse collection. This generously scaled silhouette features a welted track arm, T-cushion design, and unattached back with zippers adding extended wear. This collection comes complete with 3 oversized correlating throw pillows. Make it a true statement of your style when you upgrade your living room with this incredible sectional. This casual style offers unbelievable plush comfort, so go ahead and relax for a while. The depth is 101 inches with a width of 131 inches, and the overall height bottom to top is 40 inches. The Rouse 3-piece sectional sofa is a great choice if you're looking for a sharp-looking upgrade to your living room furniture. This England sectional is an American-made product manufactured in the foothills of East Tennessee, using only high-quality components throughout.